Alright, so it's been a few days since I installed the intake, but if you guys can tell, my engine bay is super dirty, okay? And this thing makes it look more dirty than what it is. I'm gonna clean this out real quick so I can make the engine bay look nice and clean. Same with the intake. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So yeah, this is the product I'm going to be using. The only thing about this product is that if you let it sit for more than 5 minutes, it will stain your plastic. Alright, so as you guys can tell, the engine bay is nice and clean and nice and shiny. That's how I clean my engine bay, and all this is clean now. Smells good too. So yeah, let me pick up the camera when it's not raining, because it's raining and of course it's ruined this. I chose the perfect time just to clean my engine bay. Right. Alright, I'll pick up the camera later. Alright guys, I was supposed to finish this job last week, but something came up last week. So I need to remove this right now. I actually did not grab tools from my brother again. So I'm gonna remove that right now and jack up the car and put it on jack stands so I can finish the timing on this guy, as I was saying, so we can finish this job, because I need to get an oil change done ASAP on this car, and of course stop the oil leaks, because it already started, as you guys can tell right there. And I already cleaned the engine bay. It looks super clean, and I don't want it to look more dirty. So yeah, let's get started. Let me see if I can remove it. My hand. Yeah, now I can. So I burned my finger the other day. It looks really disgusting. Well, yeah, there it is. Just gonna thread it back on there for a little bit. Meanwhile, I jack up the car, put it on jack stands. Normally there's a tool for this to remove it, but I don't have it, and I am not going to spend more money, because I'm gonna get rid of this anyways, and this pretty much worked out. And yeah, I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna spend more money when I'm gonna install this. Let me show you. I'm gonna install this. So I really don't need this anymore, and of course we can remove it with the socket. I believe it's like a 14. I'm not quite so sure, but yeah, I'm gonna find out as soon as I tied it up. But this is from BMS. I bought that from Burgers Motorsports. I don't know if you guys are familiar with them, but I heard a lot of good things about this, that it actually helps you from oil leaks. And of course I need to do an oil change, so I'm gonna finish that. So let me jack up the car real quick. I'm gonna put a dirty rag right here so it doesn't spill, and if it does, well, it spills on the dirty rag, of course. Let it drip and pull it out. So I'm gonna put this to the side, because we're gonna reuse the inside of that and switch it over to the BMS oil filter cap. We're gonna swap this to this one. Okay, this was supposed to come out with the entire cap, but it didn't, so I have to get my hands dirty. Big deal. Okay, now stir it over the dirty rag. It doesn't matter, this is gonna go to the garbage anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to assemble this. Of course, you got your filter, right? You get a new ring, you get a new drain plug, and also you get a new little O-ring that goes on the tip of this. In order to remove this, either you need a little pick tool, or you can actually put a little bit of pressure and wiggle it like so. Up. And there you go. That's another way to do it. It's held by a couple of clips here, as you can tell in there, and you can just wiggle it while you're pulling on it and it'll pop out without a problem. So now I have my hands covered with oil. Okay, so we're gonna grab the BMS oil filter cap and just grab this one. It's okay if it has oil, and you can just literally grab it, switch it, clips on. Like, it's pretty sturdy. Well, clips on, okay, and it's more sturdy than the way it was on this one. Literally, this was from an N54 and N55, if I'm not wrong, but still fits an N20, and I'm gonna be the first one. I'm sure there's other people running it, but I'm gonna be the first one on YouTube running it, or that post a video on YouTube doing it. So let's hope everything goes good. I should have taken this one out while it was off, but it's okay. For this one, I do need a pick tool. Either you can remove it, or you can reuse it. But in this case, I want to remove it because I got new ones, right? Okay, so I already removed the little O-ring. I used a what do you call it? A tattoo needle. Don't judge me on that to remove it. I just know I'm actually losing patience right now because I don't have any tools and I want to get this over with. But meanwhile, let me assemble this for you guys real quick. You can always lube it up a little bit. So all you gotta do is run it around. That's about it. It's really simple to assemble this. All you gotta do is use the filter. Okay, this filter is a little bit different than the one I had before, but all you gotta do is slide it in until it clips. Okay, and after that, grab the new O-ring that they send you with the filter. Just use a little bit of oil. That's about it. And run it through. Okay, this one go all the way in. Make sure it goes all the way in where it's supposed to sit. Okay, and there you have your filter assembled. And that's about it. Just put it back on there. Let me clean that up real quick, and then I'll show you guys how nice it fits. And let's put this bad boy in there real quick. And I hope they gave me the right filter because it looks like it's a lot different than the one I bought previously. So it's pretty sturdy. There you go. All we gotta do is tighten it up. Alright, the tools are here. So this is 19 millimeter. We're just gotta tighten it up. And that's it. So now I'm just gonna go under the car and drain the oil. Alright guys, as you can tell, My oil is dirty. What is this? Is that dirt? Yeah. I think that's it. So I'm gonna fire up the car, let it warm up, and of course check the oil level. And if he needs more, we add the rest. If he doesn't, then we're good. Alright, so of course I'm gonna inspect my work. There's no oil leaking here. And there's no oil leaking down there. That stain was already there. Okay, don't say that was me. Alright guys, we came to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the install and hope you guys learned a little bit, because I actually explained a little bit better than before. Anyways, what do you guys think of this thing? It looks super awesome, and not just that, with the filter on there, the intake and everything, it's looking fire. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Again, don't forget to subscribe, because there's more video coming up. There's actually the lowering springs in the trunk of my car right now, and I actually installed something from this company before, and it's not going to be engine or BMS, of course. So if you guys know what it is, let me know in the comment section below. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay safe. I'll catch you guys until the next video.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively reach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissectomy, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for. My true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, fool bitches and readily, fool rhythms and melodies, fool bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life a given memory, time soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.